So question number 1 says, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. So given terms are AB is equals to AC. Bisector of angle B is equals to angle C. So this thing I have already proved that these two angles, angle B is equals to angle C. The reason is angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So obviously last time I have used this value x, x, this value x, and this value is x, right? As I have already covered this part in the part 1. Okay. So given thing is AB is equals to AC because it's an isosceles triangle. This is given in the question. Given is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now ABO is equals to ACO is equals to x from part 1 सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है बेटा, पार्ट 1 सॉल्यूशन से आपने इस चीज को यहाँ पर से लिखा दैट दिस वैल्यू इज x, दिस वैल्यू इज x. यहाँ पे बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट है? नाउ दिस एंगल, दिस साइड एंड OB is equals to OC. OB is equals to OC as 2 in part 1. पार्ट 1 में आप ये चीज प्रूव कर चुके हैं बेटा. ठीक है. If you want, you can even mention the reason is angle B is equals to angle C. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आप चाहें तो बेटा आप ये वाला रीजन भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं that angle B is equals to angle C. So OB and OC are the angle bisectors of angle B and angle C. So obviously this, if this angle is x, so obviously this angle is x. This angle is x, so obviously this angle is x. Now if you consider these two triangles, first I draw these two triangles separately. This point is O, this point is A, this point is B, this angle is X, this side and this side. Now I draw OAC in the same manner. So this point is O, this point is A, this point is C. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Now you can say angle ABO and angle ACO. Triangle ABO is similar and equals to triangle ACO by side O. Angle side, sorry. OB is equals to OC, AB is equals to AC, and ABO and OCO is equals to X. So side angle side. So these two triangles are congruent by side angle side congruency rule. Any doubt till this point? Any doubt, any student? Okay. So now I can write BAO is equals to CAO by CP CG. Now if these two triangles, if these two angles are equal, you can say that OA bisects angle A. Yes or no? If these two angles are equal, that means you can say side OA bisects this angle. So I can write, therefore OA bisects angle A, hence 2. Any doubt?
No sir.
Now those who have doubt in this that why these angles are equal, so you can say angle B is equals to angle C. Let's say this angle is 2x and the reason is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Now this is given that OB and OC are the angle bisectors of angle B and angle C. Now you can say OB and OC are the angle bisectors bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. This is given in the question. So I can write that ABO is equals to OBC is equals to X. Similarly, I can write ACO is equals to OCB is equals to X. Now question number second says in triangle ABC. So let's say it's a triangle. This point is A, this point is B, this point is C. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. That means this is AD, this is point D. AD is perpendicular bisector on BC. That means this angle is equals to 90 degrees. And obviously this angle is equals to 90 degrees. BD is equals to CD. So you can write. Correct. So you can write BD is equals to BC, and the reason is AD is a perpendicular bisector. This is the sign for perpendicular. Okay. AD is a perpendicular bisector of BC. So that's why these two sides are equal. Now you can say BDA is equals to CDA is equals to 90 degrees, or you can say perpendicular. Okay, beta? So one side, one angle is known to you. Third is AD is equals to AD, which is common. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So on the basis of these three conditions, you can say that ADB and ADC, triangle ADB is similar and equals to triangle ADC by side angle side congruency rule. By side angle side congruency rule. Now, correct. Now if you want, you can draw these two triangles separately, like this is A, this is D, this is B. So this point is D, this point is C, and this point is A. Okay. Now if these two triangles are congruent, so you can say that angle, what you need to show is AB is equals to AC. So you can say AB is equals to AC by CT. Correct. So AB is equals to AC by CT. Similarly, you can say that these two angles are also equal by CT. So you can say ABD is equals to angle ACD by CT. Now considering these two conditions, you can say, therefore you can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Hence true. Okay, now question number third says there is a small difference between question number third and fourth. Now what this difference is? Question number third says you have an isosceles triangle. Let's say this is A, B, C. This point is F and this point is E. This is perpendicular. B, E and CF are altitudes. This is given in the question. Now, question number third says that ABC is an isosceles triangle, but in question number fourth you have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, if ABC is an isosceles triangle, क्या बोल सकते हैं? Okay. So if ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes PE and FC are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. So AC is equals to AB. This is given in the question. Either you can write equal sides of an isosceles triangle ABC. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now next thing is given CFB. You can write angle CFB. CFB is equals to BEC.
Yes, sir.
Correct. These two angles are 90 degrees. Okay. Right angle. You have to prove. So these are given conditions. The things you need to prove is CF is equals to BE. You can prove CF is equals to BE if you prove that these two triangles are
congruent.
Now, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. This side is common.
Yes, sir.
And AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC?
Yes, sir.
If AB is equals to AC, so you can say that angle B is equals to angle C?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If AC is equals to AB, in the next line you can say angle B is equals to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now if I draw these two triangles separately, first I draw CFB. This point is C, this point is F, this point is B, this side is, and this is the angle. Angle, angle, side. Now I draw C, this was CFB, now I draw BEC. This must be a 90 degree, this is the angle, this is the side. So angle is at C, perpendicular is at E, so ECB. So BC is equals to BC, common. So you can write BC is equals to BC, that is common. So BC is equals to BC, common. CBF is equals to BCF, BCE, sorry. Any doubt? Because angle B is equals to angle C. These two angles are 90 degrees, so you can say triangle. Is there any sequence? No sequence is given, so you can write BFC is similar and equals to triangle CEB by angle, angle, side, congruency, Now if these two triangles are congruent, you can say that altitudes. So this is EB is equals to FC. So you can say EB is equals to FC by CP. By CP, hence prove that these two altitudes are equal. Therefore, you can say altitudes are equal.